Lena is hungover. So we're gonna go to Chinatown for some soup and some good Asian food. So cute! It's okay. We're on the quest to find some extra flavored hot Cheetos. Taste test! Is it good? Actually, no.
I like it. I really like it.
It's not spicy though, right? It's not spicy.
It's like spicy ketchup.
It's kind of disappointing. Yeah. Oh, dude, I thought you were a random person.
Wow.
Oh, congrats.
This is so cute.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow.
I love New York.
We love New York.
Amazing.
Wow. You guys, I ended up getting it. It was originally 45, but I negotiated for 40 because I'm so broke. New York makes me so broke. So her Instagram, I will put it right over here. Yes, thank you so much for the discount.
Yoojin is right there.
It's currently 5:54 and we're gonna meet up with a friend from Los Angeles. He currently lives in the city.
참.
I said they don't even know it.
잘하네.
We magically wandered into the Southern Market. You're so adorable. Here. I came to this udon place last time and it was super good. Very excited. Thanks. Only one chopstick. Oh. I only got one.
Good.
Mmm. Oh my god, sorry.
Frozen grapes? What the heck? Perfectly deep frosted.
Really? Currently at Washington Square Park. Sunny is taking portrait photos for strangers.
Awesome.
You're doing so awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, what the hell? Wow! Dude, what the hell?
That's you!
Oh my god! Why does it look better than your life?
That's taking them.
Just for fun.
I'm visiting from LA and I just wanted to meet you.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Wait, can
Alright,
you
are you-
actually just like circle around us on your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. You guys, that was like the best experience ever.
This is what you were craving for.
I was craving for this social interaction. I'm very thankful to be Sunny Park Photos assistant for the day with my partner,
So I am
Lena.
You're the best assistants
Thank you,
ever.
thank you.
Oh my god.
Everyone was just so kind.
Yeah, actually though.
Good morning.
It's 2 p.m.
Oh yeah. No, it's like not even. It's 3 o'clock.
Oh.
We are in Chinatown once again.
Once again.
Puddle, puddle, puddle. It's raining. We've been craving these. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
This is so hard. My teeth are gonna fall out. What color?
The white one.
Oh.
Yay, thank you. Are you happy? Yeah.
It looks like transformation. Da, da, da. Oh my god. Can you guys?
Oh my god.
Watch out. Wow, look at this. So funny.
Everyone buy this hat right here. She's such an idiot. Oh my god, look at her.
So cute. Over here. That's here. That's here.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Oh my
That's so
freaking god.
funny.
I am so dead.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh my god. She's in her element.
I feel like a Pokemon.
You look like a Pokemon.
Hey, chum chum chum. Chum chum chum.
Hi, Charlie. Don't be trash.
You're a good boy, Charlie.
I know.
Such a good boy, mister.
job, Charlie.
You say hi to the girls.
Apparently this ferry is free and you can see the Statue of Liberty. Wow!
On the left, you'll see the statue.
Tacos once again. Taco lover. Hello everybody. We're starting off the morning with some bagels. Morning?
Afternoon.
We woke up early today though.
Yes,
Yeah, we woke
we
up
did.
at 9 o'clock, but
It is currently 2:30.
it's our last day. It's kind of hot actually. It's like 67 degrees. We got the chicken zucchini. We got the chicken Tuscany. There is a psychic reading for $10, and we are very tempted to do it. Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we do it? Honestly, might as well, right?
When in New York.
When in New York.
Hi, we were wondering if we can do the psychic reading
Yes, how many people?
for 2.
Okay. You want to do it right now?
Yeah, are you free right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, we're downstairs. Or we're like,
Okay, I'll be there. Give
okay.
me 2 minutes, I'll open the door for you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Whoa.
She kind of sounds sus. Like not like a chomjeng 느낌.
She sounds like a normal lady.
Yeah.
Lena went in. She's just doing it right there.
Interesting. Maybe she's just legit like that.
Yeah.
It is like the aura
Yeah.
that you give off. What kind of aura do I give off?
You're giving a photographer.
Not my style. Not my style. I think you're mistaking. Aura.
What is the aura we give off? Should I still do it?
Up to you, man.
I'll see what Lena says.
Yeah. She caught me. She's getting her reading done. Just look at Lena. Her face is like. You're so cute.
So cute, Henry.
So adorable.
Bye, Henry.
Thank you.
아니야 이거야. 아니야.
You're walking on.
What do they do? They do this, right?
Oh, we're like sitting outside.
You have to. You have to. Freaking cute. Street pizza.
By the chance, on the park, check this.
Photo.